Unboxing the Acer Nitro QG0 gaming monitor, 180Hz gaming monitor. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm bringing you a detailed unboxing and first impressions of one of the best gaming monitors in this price range, the Acer Nitro QG0 gaming monitor. This device combines excellent performance, modern design, and advanced technologies, making it perfect for both casual and serious gaming. Who is this monitor for? If you're a passionate gamer, this monitor is definitely for you. Especially if you play competitive games where speed and precision are key. Additionally, if you use your computer for watching movies, editing photos, or creating video content, the Acer Nitro QG0 will impress you with its image quality. Let's start by talking about what's inside the box. As you can see, Acer has kept the packaging simple yet secure. Inside, you'll find the monitor itself, carefully protected with foam to ensure it arrives safely. Along with the monitor, you get all the necessary cables. First, let's take a look at the power cable. Acer has included a standard power cable that is long enough to give you flexibility when setting up your monitor on your desk. The cable is sturdy and durable, with a standard connector that easily fits into the monitor's power port. What I like about this cable is that it's not too short, meaning you can easily connect it even if your power outlet is a bit further away. Additionally, Acer has ensured good insulation for the cable. Next, let's take a look at the stand. The stand is solid and stable, providing a good foundation for the monitor. It's designed to ensure balance and prevent any wobbling or instability during use. While it's not the most compact stand, its size allows for adequate ventilation underneath the monitor. The stand also offers some adjustability. You can tilt it backward and forward, which is useful if you want to adjust the viewing angle. Another great feature of this stand is that it's easy to assemble. All you need are a few screws, and that's it. Acer also offers the option to mount the monitor on the wall using a VESA mount. Next, let's take a look at the HDMI cable and DisplayPort. These two connectors are essential for connecting the monitor to your computer or other devices. The HDMI cable is the most commonly used for connecting monitors to computers, consoles, or other devices. This cable supports high resolutions and is a great option for everyday use. Acer has included a high-quality HDMI cable in the box, and it's long enough to provide easy connectivity without the need for an additional extension. On the other hand, DisplayPort is the better choice if you're looking for faster data transfer and multi-monitor support. DisplayPort supports higher resolutions and better refresh rates, making it ideal for gaming and professional use. If you have a computer with a DisplayPort output, this is definitely the best option for connecting to this monitor, as it allows you to achieve maximum performance. Both cables are included in the package, so you don't have to worry about additional costs for buying cables. Just plug them in, and you're good to go. In the box, besides the monitor and cables, you'll also find a few important documents. First, there's a quick start guide to help you quickly connect and set up your monitor on your desk. Technical specifications. Now let's get to the most exciting part, the specs. This monitor offers 180Hz refresh rate, ideal for fast-paced games like FPS or racing simulations, where every millisecond counts. Full HD resolution 1920 by 1080 pixels, delivering clear and sharp visuals. 1 millisecond response time, crucial for gamers who want minimal input lag and maximum precision during gameplay. AMD FreeSync technology, which synchronizes the monitor with your graphics card to reduce screen tearing and stuttering. Wide color gamut, providing vibrant and realistic visuals for gaming, watching movies, or working on creative projects. My first impressions, after unboxing and setting it up, the build quality immediately stood out. Everything feels solid and well designed. Setup is simple, just a few screws for the stand, and you're ready to go. The ports on the back are easily accessible, and you have both HDMI and DisplayPort options, which is excellent for connecting to various devices. One detail I particularly liked is the matte finish on the screen, which helps reduce glare, even in brightly lit rooms. This is especially useful for those who game or work during the day. Why choose the Acer Nitro QG0? There are many monitors on the market, but few offer this combination of price and performance. With a high refresh rate, fast response time, and excellent color reproduction, this is a monitor that meets the needs of most users. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a casual user, the Acer Nitro QG0 fits seamlessly into any setup. Conclusion: this monitor offers incredible value for the money. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking to upgrade their gaming setup without breaking the bank. If you're considering buying a new monitor, I definitely recommend putting this model on your list. Support the channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what you think about this monitor. Do you already use it, or are you planning to buy it? Also, feel free to ask any additional questions about its features. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.